Functional approach to analyzing benefit plan design provides a systematic approach to total benefits design, development, and evaluation. The functional approach is an organized system for classifying and analyzing the risks and the needs of employees into logical categories of exposures. See the functional approach assignment worksheet for more information. These exposures may include healthcare, disability, death, retirement, and dependent care. The systematic method of evaluation allows for analysis of employers' total benefits program. This is a package or total approach that is purposeful about integrating benefits design into total compensation. The approach analyzes the employer's program as a coordinated whole in terms of its abilities to meet employee needs. The functional approach is useful in overall plan design, evaluation of new proposals, revisions, cost-saving analysis, and employee communication. A functional approach is needed in planning, design, and administration of employee benefits. Let's take a look at the 5 reasons. Number 1. Benefits are a very significant element of the total rewards package. Increasingly, benefits are an essential element of that package. Generally, benefits are also a tax-effective way to compensate employees, so it's important to employees and employers that benefits are well planned and designed. Number 2. Benefits represent a large cost in total compensation for employees. Cost control, therefore, becomes increasingly important. Number 3. In the past, benefits may have been adopted by employers on a piecemeal basis. However, coordinating benefits plans through the functional approach will reveal overlap and possible efficiencies. Number 4. The world of benefits is constantly changing, from regulation to tax law. This makes the systematic approach even more important to keep current and in compliance. Number 5, and finally, compliance is critical. This can be best illustrated as recent legislation like the Affordable Care Act has drastically changed the world of benefits compliance. Again, compliance makes the systematic approach even more important to keep current and in compliance. Now let's take a look at the 5 steps when applying the functional approach. No clear or established procedure exists for the functional approach, so let's define it in 5 easy steps. First, identify and classify employees covered and their needs in medical expenses, losses due to disability, losses resulting from death, retirement needs, and dependent care needs. Use a chart with employee needs along the top and benefit components along the left side to easily identify gaps and overlaps discussed next. Second, analyze the benefits in terms of those employees benefited. Always consider types and level of benefits and any administrative controls. Determine any gaps that exist in employee exposure. Third, make recommendations for change based on your analysis. Consider how identified gaps might be filled and overlapping benefits addressed. Eliminate the cost associated with these changes. Evaluate alternatives to understand options and identify cost efficiencies and effectiveness. Decide on appropriate benefit packaging and financial needs. And fourth, implement selected changes. Effective communication of employee benefits is vital to the overall success of any plan during this step. Fifth and finally, evaluate effectiveness of changes and overall plan design by using the functional approach as a cyclical tool. Remember, functional analysis is a task that's never complete. Now, go and complete your functional benefits analysis.